Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Odoo 19 on Ubuntu 24.04 Noble, step by step. If you're new to Odoo, it's an open source suite of powerful business apps from CRM and accounting to inventory, HR, e-commerce, and a whole lot more. Odoo 19 is the latest release and brings tons of usability improvements, performance upgrades, and new features that make it even easier to manage your business. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the entire installation process, all the way from updating your server, installing dependencies, PostgreSQL, WKHTMLTOPDF, setting up a Python virtual environment, and finally accessing your Odoo 19 dashboard in your browser. Let's get started. After connecting to your Ubuntu system, update your system packages. This ensures everything is fresh and compatible before we install Odoo. Next, create a system user for Odoo. We'll run Odoo under its own system user for better security and cleaner organization. Create the user using this command. Odoo is heavily based on Python, and it needs several libraries and development tools to run smoothly. Install everything with this command. This ensures Python, image processing, PostgreSQL support, and various system libraries are ready. Odoo uses PostgreSQL as its database. No other database is supported. Let's install it using this command. Once installed, create a PostgreSQL user named Odoo 19. That's it. The database layer is now ready. Odoo needs WKHTML to PDF to generate PDF reports. The default Ubuntu version isn't fully compatible, so we'll install the patched Qt version, download it first. Now install it. Confirm if it is installed properly by checking the version installed. Now it's time to install Odoo itself. Switch to the Odoo system user we created earlier. You should now be inside /opt/Odoo19 as the user Odoo19. Let's download Odoo 19 from GitHub. Creating a virtual environment keeps your Odoo installation clean and independent. Now activate it. You'll notice your prompt changes. Now install the required Python packages. Now deactivate the environment. Next, create a folder for your custom modules. Now exit the Odoo user. Let's now create the main Odoo configuration file. Paste in the following configuration. Make sure to change admin password to a strong password. This is the master password for the Odoo database manager. Press Ctrl X to save the file. To manage Odoo like any other service, start, stop, enable on boot, we'll create a system D-unit file. Paste the server's configuration. Now reload systems and start Odoo. Check the status using this command. If everything looks good, you're ready for the final step. Exit by typing the Q letter and pressing Enter. Now, access Odoo in your browser. Open your browser and go to your server IP address and add the port number. You should now see the Odoo 19 database creation page. Enter your master password you set earlier, create your first database, and you're officially running Odoo 19. To use a domain name for Odoo instead of typing the IP and port, you must set up a web server with a reverse proxy. You can find plenty of YouTube videos explaining the process. That's it. You've successfully installed Odoo 19 on Ubuntu 24.04. If this video helped you, hit like, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux server and self-hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.